Today we are going to answer a few common questions about scheduling.
Let's get started.
The short answer is, it depends.
The specific dates for your scheduling window are posted in your LionPath Student Center. The shopping cart appointment is when you can enter Schedule Builder and start creating schedules with the classes you want to take.
Your enrollment appointment is the date you can officially enroll in those courses. Do your best to schedule on this date because classes fill up quickly.
Check LionPath to see what you need to complete before scheduling starts. You may need to address items on your LionPath to-do list or other holds before you can schedule.
These things can take some time to process, so be sure to look for them well in advance of your scheduling window.
Schedule an appointment with your academic advisor via Starfish. Your advisor will be listed under My Success Network, and then select the Schedule Appointment link.
Appointments fill up quickly during the scheduling window, so plan to set up your appointment ahead of your scheduling date. You should come prepared for this meeting with a list of courses you would like to take. Drop-in advising is not appropriate for planning your schedule.
You can find the suggested academic plan on bulletins.psu.edu. While looking at the bulletin, you can click on the courses to find the prereqs to ensure that you have completed them.
The suggested academic plan is a guide, and your plan might look a little different, but it's a great resource to use during scheduling.
You can also run a What If report via LionPath. To find the What If report, go to LionPath, Degree Planning in Progress, What If report. LionPath also offers tutorials that has full instructions on how to run the What If report and how to interpret the results.
While running your What If report, you'll see that there are some majors with multiple options. Please select the option for the University Park major, which is typically the second option on the drop-down menu. Some majors have subplans to choose from.
After you declared your major, you'll run your academic requirement report, not the What If report. You can find that by going to LionPath, Degree Planning in Progress, My Academic Requirements.
Penn State has a general education planning tool that will not only help you to create a plan for the Gen Ed courses that interest you, but also to ensure that you fulfill the Gen Ed requirements.
Gen Eds have course attributes to represent the requirement that they fulfill. You are required to complete the listed Gen Ed courses that are listed on the Gen Ed tool, or your What If report, or your academic requirement report. Gen Eds can double count with the universal requirements of U.S. or international cultures.
When you attended NSO, you probably used Schedule Builder to add your courses. This is a great resource when enrolling in multiple classes and seeing your options. You input the classes you'd like to take, find a schedule that works for you, validate that schedule, and then send it to your enrollment shopping cart.
Class Search is another option for finding individual courses. You can search through both your Gen Eds and your major courses. To learn more about how to use these scheduling resources, go to the LionPath help page.
Prereqs are courses and/or grade requirements that need to be completed or in progress before you can enroll in a specific course.
Enrollment controls are requirements needed to enroll in the course, such as your major or semester standing.
Enrollment requirements include both prereqs and enrollment controls.
Not meeting enrollment requirements will cause an error when enrolling or validating your schedule. For example, in order to take this section of SRA 231, a student must have completed or currently be enrolled in SRA 211 and Stat 200, and also be in the listed major or minor.
Enrollment controls can vary from section to section, but the prerequisites will be the same for each section of a course and will not change.
Just because the courses are in your shopping cart doesn't mean you're enrolled or that your seat is saved. You need to manually enroll on your scheduling date if the course is still open.
Make sure to check your shopping cart before your scheduling date.
Also, make sure you validate through Schedule Builder and your enrollment cart.
Prerequisite override requests can be submitted for prerequisites only. If you and your advisor discuss submitting one, please make sure to do this prior to your scheduling date.
That's all for today's scheduling tips.
As always, if you have any additional questions, you can schedule a meeting with your advisor.